and welcome to How to Cook Great Food. With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?
Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, just his second finished chicken chow mein. Really simple, not going to take long. Is it delicious? Yes, let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. Chicken, no skin, no bone, breast chicken, cut really nice and thin. We're going to cook this really quickly. Onion sliced, I'm using red, but you could be using white or brown. In here I've got chopped or sliced, chunky for me, you can do it how you want, garlic and ginger. I've got some bell peppers in here. If you wanted, you could be adding some cabbage, some carrots or some other type of vegetables. I'm only using those guys today. Here I've got equal parts, very roughly, of vinegar, ketchup and soy sauce there. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. We're going to add a little bit of salt and some black pepper. Pretty much it. Let's take a look at our noodles. Okay, so the noodles is up to you. I mean, there's so many different types. This is quite a thin bihon, but you could be, these ones just require you soaking them in water and then they'll be ready to use. Some you need to boil. There's just different, different types, egg, flour, rice sticks, whatever, and obviously the size. I'm going to go for these ones, so prepare your noodles. Okay, so you're going to need a wok or a pan of some sort. I'm going to start this off with some oil. I've got some sunflower oil in there. Sesame seed oil might be good as well. We're going to start off by dropping in, and this all happens quite quickly and on a very high heat. We're going to start off with our garlic and ginger. Like I say, I've sliced mine, it's quite chunky. I'm quite happy like that. And as that goes in, we're now going to add our onions. So your maximum heat all the way here. Let's get some black pepper in there. Just a little bit of salt, and that's because we're going to be adding soy. Soy is also very salty. Now, a chicken breast, cut nice and thin. No skin, no bone. And we need to stir fry this around for about 4 minutes. This is coming together really nicely. Like I say, the chicken is cut so thin, it cooks pretty much instantly. Just a little optional extra, few chili flakes, or if you wanted some chili powder or cayenne, but that's up to you. Now I'm going to go in with some bell peppers. And like I say, I'm only using this vegetable, carrots, celery, mushrooms, zucchini, up to you. Let this go for about 60 seconds. So that was a very short time indeed, retaining the crunchiness of the bell peppers there. Now we're going to add that little bit of vinegar. The soy. I'm using a dark soy, you could use a lighter one if you wanted. And then that ketchup. Another 60 to 90 seconds, stirring all the time. And that's looking absolutely wonderful, I love that. Now we're going to oh by the way, I've just turned the heat down so you can hear me for the next step. Now we're going to grab our noodles. Now with these bihon type noodles, we're going to do a little bit of a haircut because they're huge. So what I do is I cut them in, pair of scissors, get it cut in. Much easier to kind of deal with. So in they go. Couple of snips. Heat's way back up now. 2 to 3 minutes, stirring, mixing, we're done. Okay, and there you go. Really simple, our little version of chicken chow mein. Of course, you can change it how you want. A few sesame seeds on the top, some green onions maybe, up to you. I'm going to enjoy that. Hope you do too. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It helps us out a great deal. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?